Welcome back to everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss sequence data types. In Python, sequence means collection of different data types. There are several data types in Python. The first one is string, and next one is list, and next one is tuple. So in this video we are going to discuss with the string. So let's go to ideally.
The string means collection of one or more characters. So I'm going to take some names. Charlie. The name is not defined. This way we have to use single or double or even triple quotes. So I'm going to P Charlie. I'm going to take single quote. So it will accept the value maybe. Yes, it will accept the value. I'm going to print P. Okay. So the next one is I want to print only L. I don't want to print other values. So that's why we have to use index values. So index value is represented by 1 by 1. So that's why I'm going to take print P. Index value is number 4. Charlie means index value is number 4. And we take name 4. Yes, it will print the L value. So I want to print lie. So that's why I'm going to take range slice. Range slice 4 to the 4 to 6. Okay, the 6 means 6 is okay, 6 means it is excluded, so that's why we have to take 7. The last value we excluded, that's why we are going to take, we have to take 7, then it will execute. Okay, the lie is execute. Python has a set of built-in methods so that you can use it on string. So let's see one by one. The first one is capitalize. How to use capitalize? Here you can see the Charlie, the capitalize use it for convert to first letter. So first letter to capital. So here you can see thus C is a converted in capital. Okay. The next one is case hold. How to use we case hold? The case hold means here you can see the case hold. The case hold means converted all are lowercase. We already lowercase, so these are lowercase. I'm going to take d equal to again that name Charlie. I have capital letters. I'm converting into lowercase, so dot using case hold. Case hold. Sorry, d is a capital, so because Python is a case sensitive language, you can mention let's print it. So here you can see the d is converted into lowercase. The next one is index. I'm going to take the name of p equal to I love Python. Okay, I'm going to print. Okay, it will print. So I want to know what is its index. L is what is index. That's why I'm going to use index inbuilt function. So where is L index? How much L index? Here you can see L index is 2. Okay, I want to mention So here you can see the O is 2 times. I don't want to mention so values, so I want to start the values and end the values. I can give the start the P2 and mention the we have to index start where we have to start. So start the value of end value is 11. Okay, you can give start to end, so and how much you want to end, then it will. So the next one is how to use count on the string. So I'm going to take p equal to apple orange. So p dot, I have to mention that parameters, whatever the parameters I have to parameter mention apple. So the count apple is only one. So how many is there in count is how many is available elements is counting. Okay. So the next one is ends with. How to use ends with on the string. So I'm going to take name. So my name is Charlie. I'm using ends with. We have to pass the arguments, whatever the argument. So we have to must be pass. Here you can see the dot is not there, ends with, so we have to mention that the dot. So and the next one is format. How to use format use. So my name is, that's it. Dot format, that's it. Here we have we format whatever we want. So Charlie, my name is, and next one is age. Here we're gonna print. Here you can see my name is Charlie and my age is 20. And we can use it another way also. My name, whatever the parameters we can pass it here. So name, age is, I am passing it here the age. So I mentioned that age is 30 and name is Charlie. But we have to mention that we know that single quotes or double quotes. Just print p. Here you can see my name is Charlie and my age is 30. It will also, we can use parameters. So okay. So the next one is split. How to use split on the string. I'm going to use p. P is the name of, so my name is Charlie and the age is 20, age is 30. P dot split, that's it. you can mention it or doesn't. If you are mention, then it will split that anywhere the spaces is there, and it will split it. Here you can see name, my name, so is Charlie, and it will split it. Okay, and next one is starts with. So we know that we are using some so many strings, so we are using so many strings, lines by line by line, so we don't know what line it will start, so that's why we are using starts with. What I'm saying here, my name is Charlie, so this line is we are know, so but sometimes we don't know which line is starts with, so that's why I'm using starts with. Is there start with my name, mine? So, sorry, we have to mention this start s. This the fall, so here you can see my name is not starts with I, so it's not start with I, it start with mi, so that's why it will false. I'm going to use my, so is this correct? Yes, it will start with mi. Okay, the next one is swap case. How do we swap case on string? So the swap case means convert lower letters to upper letters to lower letters. It will simply easy. We don't want to pass any arguments. Just print it. It will convert lower letters to upper letters, but upper letters lower letters. Just I'm showing, taking some. Okay. I'm using swap case now. So we don't want to pass any arguments here. Just enter. It will convert lower letter to upper letter to lower letter. Here you can see. So the next one is title. How do we use title on the string? P equal to love Python. That's it. It's a simple word. We don't want to do big video. Just simply enter. Just enter. It will convert every first letter. It will uppercase. So here you can see upper letter, upper letter, upper letter. So this is the title, and next one is how to convert upper letter, so that's why I'm using upper function. Just enter upper function. Here you can see all letters, it will convert to upper letters, so that is. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to further videos. Sorry for I mentioned that. So here you can see dot control space, it will get the all. Here you can see we are using the everyone is string. Okay, I'm telling only some important, so I didn't tell anything